Hi guys, this is Srinivas Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about SEO interview questions, and the question is types of sitemaps and what exactly sitemap. Okay, so over to the video.
In this video, we talk about sitemaps. Sitemaps play a major role in digital marketing. Through sitemaps only we are telling to Google that we have a website. Now let's define first what is sitemap. Sitemap is nothing but the collection of web pages of a website which is accessible for user and search engine crawler. Sitemaps are very important because we are telling to the search engine that we have a website. After submitting sitemap, Google bots and crawlers are visiting our website and start crawling and indexing. Generally, sitemaps are of two types. Extensible markup language, which is important for search engine crawler, and hypertext markup language, which is for visitors. In my next video, I will show you how to create and submit sitemap for a blog and website.
Yeah, that's all guys. That's all about what is sitemap and types of sitemaps in SEO. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.